white I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. And blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers, she walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers.
Children, we just now saw the video of this poem, The Cow, and it's written by Robert Louis Stevenson. And children, the poet over here wants to tell us that how a cow lives its life. Okay, we can say that this poem is describing a cow and its life. Okay, now let's listen to the poem once again. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Now, children, here the poet wants to say that the cow is very friendly, and the poet is also describing the color of the cow, all red and white, and he says that he loves this cow with all his heart. And then in the third line, the poet says, she gives me. Now, who is this she over here? She is referred to the cow, because the poet is imagining that the cow can speak. Okay, so he is referring to the cow, and he's calling her with the pronoun she. Okay, she gives me cream with all her might. From the milk that she gives, we get curd, we get cream, we get many things. Okay, so here the poet says, from the cream, she gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart, so that he can eat it with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there. Wanders means she roams here and there. She goes from this place to that place. Okay, she wanders. It's not wander, but it's wander. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. That means still she cannot go anywhere. She comes back to my place. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day. She wanders here and there. She still doesn't lose her way. She still comes back to the house, and though she stays in the open air, but she comes back to the house. Okay, and blown by all the winds that pass, wherever she goes, the winds that blow, so she also feels that winds blowing on her skin, and wet with all the showers, because when it rains, cow, she doesn't wear a raincoat, so she gets wet in all the showers. Showers means rainfall. She walks among the meadow grass. She walks among the meadow grass, and she eats the meadow flowers. That means she walks among the meadow grass, the grass field. She walks over there and she eats the flowers that grow over there. Now here the poet is describing the cow. He's saying she friendly. He's describing, saying, calling it friendly, red, white. Okay, then it also says that it wanders throughout the day without losing her way, and she enjoys the pleasant breeze of the day. Though she's wandering here and there, she enjoys the breeze of the day. That means the wind that blows. She gets wet in the monsoon. She walks in the meadows, and she eats the meadow flowers. Okay, children. Now this is the poem, and see, these are the word meanings. Apple tart is a dessert made of pastry and apples. That means a dessert is a sweet dish. That is okay. Lowing means the mooing sound of the made by a cow. Meadow is a grassy field. Yes. Might is strength. Stray means to lose the way. Okay, stray means lose the way. Those who are not domestic, they keep on going from one place to another. Okay, they do not have masters, so they keep on moving to leave or to wander away from the correct place. And then wander means to walk or stroll from place to place. Okay, children. Now see, the friendly cow all red and white. Now see, okay, I love it with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. That means she doesn't lose her way. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. See, she gets wet. Nobody runs with an umbrella for her safety. Okay, so she gets wet with all the showers. She walks along the meadow grass and eats the meadow flower.